All right, man. What is up? What do we got going on today?
I'm trusting you with my life and having an experience. It's gonna be awesome.
An experience, man. What are you doing?
Hopefully I don't go up. I want to come down. I want to come down.
It looks like you're going skydiving, man. You're at a skydiving center.
Awesome,
dude,
awesome.
You got a fancy suit on, dude. You look ready to rock and roll.
Oh, dude. Yeah, thanks.
You ready to get
I'm pumped. I'm excited, yeah.
Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
My friend's 30th, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's that dirty 30 birthday.
Yeah,
all
yeah.
right, man.
I'm 29, so I might come back next year. Yeah,
That's what I want to hear. Let's have some fun. Here we go.
Awesome.
All right, man. We found an airplane, dude.
Awesome.
You ready to get in?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, man. Looking good. Looking great. Let's have it. Woo! Yeah. Spin the right elbow, pull the body.
Oh, okay, cool.
All the way up, bending to the left. All the way up, and then we're going to slow down like you're going to land. Slow down to your left.
Oh, nice, okay.
Alright, you got a good grip, right?
Yeah.
Good grip, bro. You want to give it a turn? Give it a turn. You got to pull hard, man. Use the muscle. Yeah! Bring it around, bring it around.
Keep going?
Yeah, keep going.
Awesome, yeah, this is fun.
Woo-hoo! Alright, go ahead up. There, to the left. Pull left, 20. Cool, hold that. All the way up. All the way up. Up, up, up.
Oh, sorry.
Now hold that.
That was amazing. I loved it. It was so much fun. You're awesomely like.
What was your favorite part?
Just the falling. Like it's so beautiful from up there. Like it's gorgeous. Yeah.
Amazing.
And you, Lee, you're great. You're great. Like I'm glad. Someone else maybe wouldn't be as like fun and cool. Like you're awesome.
Dude,
so.
We're all professionals here, man.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for jumping with me, jumping with us.
Yeah,
Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Woo!
Get it.
Awesome.
Woo!